The Delhi police are conducting raids in at least 35 locations, including houses of 7 journalists and places associated with the news portal NewsClick. A fresh case has been registered by the Delhi Police Special Cell against the news portal under the stringent Unlawful Activities Prevention Act, that is UAPA. The organization is under the scanner of the Economic Offences Wing of the Delhi Police and the Enforcement Directorate amid allegations it received funds from China. Raids were carried out by the Delhi Police's Special Cell at over 35 locations in Delhi and the neighbouring areas of Noida and Ghaziabad. During the raids, cops seized electronic evidence, including laptops and mobile phones, and took data dumps of hard disks. The searches were based on inputs shared by the Enforcement Directorate indicating alleged unlawful activities by the suspects. Some journalists were brought to the Lodi Road Special Cell office, but no one has been arrested so far, the officials added. The journalists whose houses were raided by the cops include Prabir Purkayastha, Abhisar Sharma, Anandoy Chakravarti, Paranjoy Guha Thakurta, Bhasha Singh, Aditi Nigam, Bappa Sinha and Urmilesh. Abhisar Sharma posted about the raid at his house on X. Delhi police landed at my home, taking away my laptop and phone, he wrote. Meanwhile, Bhasha Singh wrote, finally last tweet from this phone. Delhi police seized my phone. So, what is the case involving NewsClick? Earlier in August 2023, a report by the New York Times had alleged links between tech mogul Neville Roy Singham, who finances the Indian news website NewsClick, and the Communist Party of China. The report had claimed that Singham's networks fueled disinformation and influenced mainstream narratives by promoting pro-China messages. As per sources in the probe, the agency found a series of email exchanges between NewsClick director Prabir Purkayastha and various journalists, along with millionaire Neville Roy Singham and CPIM leaders like Prakash Karat. ED indicated that Neville Roy Singham, who stays in China, gave NewsClick Rs 38 crore illegally to peddle pro-China information in India. NewsClick has called the allegations unfounded and without basis in fact or law. NewsClick is an independent news organization, and any insinuation that we function as a mouthpiece of the Communist Party of China or other interests is false, the organization had clarified. Several opposition parties hit out at the government after Delhi Police's Special Cell on Tuesday morning conducted raids on the premises of online portal NewsClick and its journalists. Reacting to the development, the Press Club of India on X said it is deeply concerned about raids on the houses of journalists and writers associated with NewsClick. The Press Club of India is deeply concerned about the multiple raids conducted on the houses of journalists and writers associated with NewsClick. We are monitoring the developments and will be releasing a detailed statement. The PCI stands in solidarity with the journalists and demands the government to come out with details, it said. RJD MP Manoj Jha described the raid as the most unfortunate thing. Why are you calling them the Delhi police? They are under Union Home Minister Amit Shah and nothing takes place without his consent. Those who refuse to join their Bhajan Mandali, they do this against them. What are they trying to show from all this? This incident will be written in the history and this step of the government will cost them, Jha told news agency ANI.
दिल्ली पुलिस की टीम आज सुबह से न्यूज क्लिक से जुड़े कई दफ्तरों पर और कई पत्रकारों पर आज सुबह से दिल्ली पुलिस की छापेमारी हो रही है। दिल्ली पुलिस की टीम सुबह सुबह ही पहुंची है। कई पत्रकार शामिल हैं जिनमें कि बड़े बड़े नाम हैं। क्या कहना है सर इस रेड से?
मैं समझता हूं इससे ज्यादा दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण और दुर्भावनापूर्ण कार्रवाई ठीक गांधी जयंती के पश्चात कोई नहीं हो सकती थी। क्यों कह रहे हैं आप दिल्ली पुलिस गृह मंत्री के अंदर है, उनकी मर्जी के बगैर पत्ता हिलता है। जो लोग आपसे सवाल पूछें, जो आपकी भजन मंडली में शामिल होने से इनकार करते हैं, आप उनके साथ, ये आपका स्टैंडर्ड ऑपरेटिंग प्रोसीजर हो गया। एक फासिस्ट स्टेट की जितनी उसके अवयव होते हैं सब आप में विद्यमान है।
On Delhi police conducting raids at different premises linked to NewsClick, CPIM General Secretary Sitaram Yechury said, police came to my residence because one of my companions who live with me there, his son works for NewsClick. Police came to question him. They took his laptop and phone. What are they investigating? Nobody knows. If this is an attempt to try and muzzle the media, the country must know the reason behind this.
Delhi police is conducting raid at different premises linked to the NewsClick under UAPA and other section, or your residence also raided today morning.
My residence, the police came there because there is a comrade who lives with me there, who works in our office. His son works for the NewsClick. So they came to question him. He asked questioning on what? Nothing, no question. They just took his laptop and his cell phone and went away. Why? What is the charges? What are they investigating? Nobody knows. If this is an attempt to try and muzzle the media and the press, etc., that the media has faced this earlier. They'll also handle it. But what is it? What is the issue? That the country must know.
Meanwhile, Congress MP Pramod Tiwari says, I feel that dictatorship has come. This is a message from the BJP to all the journalists. We are in support of free journalism. We strongly condemn these raids.
बतौर कांग्रेस पार्टी के नेता के तौर पर जो न्यूज क्लिक से जुड़े कुछ पत्रकारों और ठिकानों पे छापेमारी की गई है, आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
मेरा अपना विचार है कि लगता है तानाशाही आ चुकी। जिस तरीके से मीडिया की अभिव्यक्ति पर, मीडिया की स्वतंत्रता पर सिर्फ अंकुश नहीं लगाया जा रहा है, कई रूपों में लगाया जा रहा है। आर्थिक रूप से, सामाजिक रूप से, और अब तो बीभत्स स्वरूप आ गया कि जो इसके बाद भी बोलेगा हम नौकरी से उसे उसके चैनल से निकलवा देंगे। बाहर निकल के अगर वो स्वतंत्र रूप से बोलेगा तो फिर हम उसको गिरफ्तार करेंगे, और इस तरह गिरफ्तार करेंगे कि जल्दी जमानत भी ना हो सके। ये आने वाले चुनाव के पहले भारतीय जनता पार्टी सरकार सारे पत्रकारों को संदेश दे रही है। हम स्वतंत्र भारत में स्वतंत्र पत्रकारिता के पक्षधर हैं। आतंकवाद के खिलाफ हमने हमेशा लड़ाई लड़ी है, हम उस लड़ाई को लड़ेंगे, परंतु उसकी आड़ में अगर झूठा फंसाया जाएगा पत्रकारों को, तो हम पत्रकारिता के साथ खड़े हैं, पत्रकारों के साथ खड़े हैं और इस कदम की कठोरतम शब्दों में निंदा करते हैं।
Information and Broadcasting Minister Anurag Thakur, Union, however, said he does not need to justify the raids, adding that agencies are free to carry out probes if anyone has committed anything wrong. Citing an investigation by the New York Times, Thakur recently claimed that NewsClick's money trail revealed an anti-India agenda.
Very unusual development, Delhi police early morning today conducted raids in the houses of Delhi journalists. How do you justify this?
देखिए, मुझे जस्टिफाई करने की जरूरत नहीं है। अगर किसी ने गलत किया है तो उसके ऊपर जांच एजेंसियां काम करती हैं, और ये कहीं नहीं लिखा कि आपके पास अगर गलत तरीके से पैसा आया होगा, आपत्तिजनक कोई कार्य होगा, तो उसके ऊपर कोई जांच एजेंसी कार्रवाई नहीं कर सकती। जांच एजेंसियां स्वतंत्र हैं, वो अपनी कार्रवाई नियमों को देखकर करती हैं।
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.